Hi everyone, we welcome you all to watch the virtual Navaratri Golu of Origin Play School 2020. Come, let's start. We are welcoming with our cute little boy and girl. They are dressed up well and welcoming you all. And we have the 5 steps. First step with Lord Ganesha sitting on the 4 elephant face step. And the next step we have Balaji, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Sai Baba and Happy Man. The next step we have Krishna, Shivalinga, Krishna, Subramanyam, Saraswati, Ganesha, Mother Mary, Velangani Mata, and then Santa Claus and Jesus Christ, then tortoise, Krishna, Ganesha, Kalasham and Hanuman, and with Krishna, Radhe, cow and one duck. In front we have Happy Man and Saraswati, Happy Man. Then Ganesha playing instruments. The last step we have our favorite dolls with 3 monkeys and grandma and grandpa and 2 girls playing in the swing and horse, and we have our smiley cups and cat saying hi to all. This is our 5 step Golu. Next goes to our Origin Play School. 2 boy and girl, 2 of them are welcoming you by saying Vanakkam. The Origin School in the center, our cute little school, and the children and the teacher is sitting in the center, and the children are attending online classes through their laptop. Can you see? Yes. Then 2 little kids are playing with the alphabets A and B. Then one little blue boy with blue car, and the teacher is sitting in the center, and this boy is playing on the horse. This girl is sitting in the pink color car. We have the slider, and this boy is holding the ball in his hand and watching you all. This girl is playing the instruments, and this girl is watching you all. See, the other boy is standing in the entrance, and we have our giant wheel here. Yes. Do you like the school arrangements? Okay. Then now comes the tribal family. You can see how the tribals live their life. Can you see how they are? Yeah, they use only bamboo sticks, and they eat only raw vegetables and fruits. They use only bamboo sticks for their dress, and their utensils, everything will be bamboo made, furniture, everything. And see the house. Do you like the tribal house? Okay, now let's go to a modern house. See, your favorite toy house is here. Can you see? A girl lying on the bed in the bedroom, red color bed, cute, and one girl is having bath in the bathtub. She is dressing up in the dressing table. No, is in the wash basin, and she is having shower. And one more girl dressing up in the dressing table. Can you see? And yellow color flower vase is there. And downstairs we have the kitchen combined with dining table. Some sandwich is there ready to eat, and we have the sofa set with TV in the hall. Now in the entrance, one girl is standing out, and one girl is standing near the bicycle, and one boy is sitting near the tree. And outside 3 of them are sitting in the lawn having some coffee. This girl is sweeping and peeping outside. You all like this modern house? And step is there in the side. And here comes the friendship dolls. Friends forever. See how they are friends. They are going in a rickshaw. These children are going in the chariot. And these are the friends doll. They are playing in the swing. Can you see the friendship dolls? Did you all like it? Okay, next comes the marriage couple dolls. Can you see a Taj Mahal? And with flowers arranged in it and one heart in the center. And we have our couples here, marriage couples here. And we have famous places to have a look. See, the girl is painting and he is looking on it. You can see Eiffel Tower. Did you all like it? Okay, now the next comes your favorite craft items. See, our hippo, lion and teddy are welcoming you. Bottle made and then stone made. Snail and thirsty crow is sitting on the pot. Snail, frog, tortoise and crab. And here egg made. Penguins are in the snow. Did you all like the arrangements? And some fishes are in the water. Your craft setup is ready. Now we are going to watch your puppet animals in the lawn. Can you see the sea animals, water animals, tortoise, fish, alligator, whale and ducks on the water, and then here lion, bear, tiger, and front kangaroo with his baby, then puppy dog, ox, zebra, fox, then so many animals, is it not? And here all your hand puppets, your birds, giraffe, peacock, in front there is puppy dog and lion with a den and water is flowing, and see all our helpers are welcoming you. Lawyer, doctor, traffic police, policeman, teacher and farmer, and all other animals are on the showcase with robo. Did you all enjoy the Golu? And some more toys arranged here. All the animals, lion, dog, deer, duck, deer, elephant, lion. See, monkey with cat, and then birds, peacock, parrot, dove, swan, bluebird. Did you all enjoy the Golu, children?